In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add percentages in Tableau, and we'll be covering this process in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a Tableau newbie or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through every step, making it simple to present your data in a more meaningful way using percentages. First, you'll want to start by opening your preferred internet browser and using the search function to look for Tableau. Once you're on Tableau's site, it's time to either log in with your existing credentials or create a new account if you haven't already. This will give you access to your personal Tableau workspace, where you can start working on your datasets. Now, with access to your Tableau dashboard, locate the existing workbook that you'd like to enhance by adding percentages. Open this workbook, as it's where we'll be making all the necessary modifications today. Next, you'll need to decide on the measure you want to transform into a percentage, such as sales or any other relevant metric in your dataset. Once you've determined the relevant measure, drag this measure onto either the rows or columns shelf in your workbook. Doing so sets the stage for the transformation to a percentage display. With the measure in place on the shelf, it's time for a bit of magic. Right-click on the measure that you just dragged onto the shelf. You'll see a menu appear. Navigate through it and hover over Quick Table Calculation. A sub-menu will pop up. Here, choose Percent of Total. What this does is convert your numeric data into a percentage relative to the total, enriching your data visualization by indicating the contribution of each data point to the overall picture. If your analysis calls for a more granular focus, you might want this percentage to be calculated based on a specific category, perhaps a region or product line. To do this, you'll need to refine the table calculation further. Once again, right-click the measure, and this time, delve into editing the table calculation. Here, look for the option titled Specific Dimensions. Select this option, and you'll be prompted to choose which dimension you desire as the basis for your percentage calculation. This step allows you to tailor the percentage view according to the specific data aspect you're analyzing, granting deeper insight. And there you have it. By merely dragging and right-clicking, you've transformed your dataset to powerfully speak through percentages in Tableau. Armed with this tool, you can now bring clarity and enhanced understanding to your data analysis and presentations. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this quick guide helps you harness the full potential of Tableau's robust analytical capabilities.